Creating a Medici account is easy and takes just a couple of minutes to complete. One quick note, Medici has separate doctor and patient apps, so we recommend double checking that the logo bubbles you see say Doc in the middle. After you have downloaded the Medici app on your mobile device and opened it, tap the Create Account button. Once you click Create Account, you'll be asked to put in your full mobile number. If you are outside the United States, you can click on the country listed under the phone number to switch countries. Tap Next. On the next screen, you'll be asked to put in your 10-digit national provider identifier number. This is completely optional, but it will speed up the account setup and medical license verification process if you provide it. For the moment, let's assume you don't use your NPI number. What you'll do in this case is tap the option at the top right that says No NPI. Now you'll enter in your first name and last name and tap Next. On the next screen, you'll be asked to provide your practice address. Click on the location line and you'll be taken to another screen where you can enter it. Here you can start typing your address at the top and select a match. Or if your address does not match, use the option in blue at the bottom to enter address manually. Let's say we found our location in the list. Tap it and it will autofill your location. Hit Next and you'll be taken to the Claim Your Profile page. Medici will try to match your name to known doctors in your area. If you see your name and address listed, you can claim that profile. If not, click Not Found or Don't See My Profile. Let's assume you don't see your profile in this example. You'll be taken to the Profile Not Found page, where you can simply click Next to continue. You'll now be asked to enter your specialty. Click the specialty field and start searching for your specialty by typing the first few letters. Select your specialty from the list and then hit Next at the bottom. Here's the area where you'll create an email to associate with your account. Be sure to use your primary work or personal email address, since this will be how you log into your account. Next, you'll create a password for logging into your account. It will need to include an uppercase letter, a number, and be at least 8 characters long. Once you've created your password, hit Next. In the next area, you'll be asked to take a photo of either your medical license, driver's license, or passport so we can verify your identity and medical credentials. Click on Scan ID button to take a picture with your device's camera. Select Use Photo or retake if you need to. On this last page, you'll agree to the Medici Terms of Use and Privacy Policy. Please take a moment to read by clicking on the links next to these checkboxes. Once you've reviewed these documents, select both checkboxes and hit Done. Your account is now set up. The next couple of pages will walk you through some information to help you get paid for consults and onboard your patients. You can set your consultation rate that patients will see in the app. You can add a linked bank account to directly deposit money you've earned on the app at the end of each week. And on this last screen, you can request a secure import of your patient EHR data that will be sent to a member of the customer service team. Once you've gone through these screens and hit Done, you'll be taken to your inbox. Remember, your account is still being verified, so you will have limited functionality until a team member reviews your identity and medical credentials. Our team will review the documents you submit within about 48 hours and unlock your account's full functionality.